Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make a marshmallow topper. What is a marshmallow topper? It's a little marshmallow that's decorated and placed on top of your hot chocolate or hot drinks. And you can do this as a stocking stuffer. What you will need some marshmallows. Then you'll need some dipping chocolate and like little candies for ornamentation. Okay, we're going to use these, nice and festive for the Christmas season. And I have here a candy cane. I'll show you how to do that. Let's get started. First, you take the dipping chocolate and you melt it. Okay, this is melted. I put it in the microwave for a few minutes. Once it's thoroughly melted, mix it up. Okay. Now, I am not a big marshmallow fan, except for maybe twice in a year, once around the Christmas holidays, another time around the 4th of July here in the United States. That's our Independence Day. So, you're going to do the little cookout. And this is what I found interesting. These marshmallows here are made for s'mores. So they're not round, they're flat. And when I saw this, I thought, excellent. So we're going to take this and we're going to dip it in our chocolate. Dip it in our chocolate there. Doesn't look all that pretty, but we're going to change that in just a quick minute. So I'm using my spoonie here to kind of swirl it around evenly. Okay. Now the beauty of this dipping chocolate is that it hardens once it cools. So before it hardens, I'm going to place it here on this plate. And I'm going to sprinkle on top of it, little sprinkles, and there we go. And then when it dries, it'll be a nice little decorative little topper for your hot chocolates. Now, another thing that we can do, put my chocolate here aside for a minute. If you want to add a little bit of candy cane flair, get a little chocolate on my hand here and wipe it off. Okay, I use my mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you don't need one in order to do this, but if you have one, it'll make it very easy to basically crumble up your candy cane. Okay, so we're going to, there it is, and just hit it a couple of times. Oops, some of that went flying. So I just give it a couple of good whacks here, and you can see that you have nice little chunks of peppermint. Now we'll see what this looks like on top of a stopper or topper. Okay, so we melt a little bit more chocolate, smooth it out. Okay, we smooth it out, and then I take a marshmallow. Now, does it matter the shape? No, it really doesn't matter. I just like the s'mores cut because it gives a nice squared canvas, so to speak, to decorate. You can make this as simple or as complicated as you like. Now this time instead of dipping it, I just ran it through, spread some on, then here we go with our candy cane pieces. Just drop them on there. That looks festive. And once again, you let it sit so it can dry. All right. Now this one is almost dry, but just to give you an idea, I have a cup of hot chocolate here, and sit it up on top like so. Whoops! It flipped over. There we go. A little messy, but you get the idea. You can make this as a lovely little activity for kids. So it's very simple. You just get a little dipping chocolate, melt it, get a little candies, decorations, and you know, after your kids make a few of these, you know, you can sit down, watch something on television, enjoy a nice hot cup of hot chocolate with your beautiful little topper on it. That simple, that easy. And if you want to give this away as a gift, you can also put them in little saran wrap or a little plastic, tie it up with a cute little bow, and there's your stocking stuffer. So anyway, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Had to get rid of that chocolate there. Anyway, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and until next time,